Hi friends, so today I'm sitting down on Tip Tuesday to talk to you all about shaving your face. Yes, you heard me correctly. This is game changing. So a little bit of background. Face shaving or derma planing came into kind of the realm of everything as far as skincare, I would say about 5 or 6 years ago. It first came out as derma planing, where you went to a med spa or a medical grade location and you actually had them go through with a small razor and they shaved your face. Now it is much more common, much more household name, but when you hear face shaving, it's not like you take a razor and you shave your legs type of razor. These are different specific type of face razors. The first one that I tried out when I first tried all of this is the Tinkle. It's called an eyebrow razor, but you can use these on your face. This is what I have here. These are what I purchased. They are very inexpensive. You can get them on Amazon. They come with a set of 3. I personally love these for cleaning up my eyebrows. My eyebrows are microbladed, so I can actually go in and follow that line that is tattooed / microbladed and go through and clean up any of those unnecessary hairs that are all around it. In the beginning, I did use these on my face, and I will show you how I use it on my face. However, I find with these, when I use them on my face, I actually, after I wash my face the next day, I see a couple little lines in on my face, and that's probably damaging my skin much more than I wanted to. So when I had heard about this little baby, I decided to give it a try. And this is by Michael Todd. It is the Sonic Smooth True Sonic Derma Planing System. It is $100. You can buy it at Ulta, on Amazon. I'll put a couple different links down below. It does come with a face wash and an afterward serum, and then it also comes with a full set of blades. Now, I have already been through one full set, so this is my new one, and I just got this in and used the first razor out of this, and I'm going to show you what those razors look like. Container here, you can open it up. You just slide the machine right like this. It picks up the blade and you're good to go. Now I am going to insert a clip real quick here showing you how I use this one. This actually comes with a charging base. So this is something that you can simply charge, and it is so easy. It lets you know when it needs to be recharged. It lights up as it's charging, and it has 3 different settings as far as the actual sonic portion of it. So it has 1, 2, and 3. And that depends on, I would start on level 1 and work your way up to level 3. That depends on how sensitive your skin is. If your skin is sensitive, you're probably going to want to stay closer to the level 1. My skin is not sensitive. I have extremely tough skin, and my skin tolerates level 3 perfectly. But keep in mind, I've been doing this for about a year now. Now, one of the main differences is if you go to a med spa and have derma planing done, they suggest to come back about once a month. This system right here, the Michael Todd system, or if you're just using the disposable razors, and these guys, make sure you throw them away every single time you use them. They're inexpensive, so do not chance it. If you keep these around, you will build up bacteria on it from that dead skin cells. Trust me, throw them away. So with this as well, you want to dispose of the actual razor head every single time, but you use this once a week is what they suggest. Now, I personally do it probably every other week. I will take one of these in between the week when I'm cleaning up my eyebrows, and if I see any stray hairs, kind of like mostly I notice on my upper lip or under my chin would be the areas where I notice them. I won't pull this out and do my whole face because it doesn't need it. I'll just use the one that I'm using on my eyebrows and clean up any strange areas. But here's the great thing about shaving your face. What this does is it removes all of that peach fuzz, and it's not going to make your hair grow back any darker. It is not going to make your hair grow back any thicker. None of those things you hear are true. I have been doing this for a year, and I did derma planing before that. Trust me, I don't have any more hair on my face than I did before. What it does is it smooths your skin, it removes that peach fuzz, it makes it so easy to apply your makeup flawlessly. It also helps any skincare you're doing to really, really soak into the skin. I do this at night. I wash my face, let it dry really, really well. Then I go in and actually do the derma planing with the Sonic Smooth. And then I actually kind of rinse my face off again. I generally go in and do a mask. My favorite mask to use is the Colleen Rothschild, the pomegranate one. Smells amazing. It really invigorates my skin. If you have clogged pores, she has an amazing clay mask. In the wintertime, I'm using her hydrating mask. All of these are amazing options for afterwards. Find a mask that you really love and use what works for you. And one time you might need a hydrating one, the next time you might need an exfoliating one, the next time you might need a clarifying one. So it might be different every time. It'll depend on your skin, the time of year, and lots of other things that have to do with your own skin. But ever since I started doing this, I am obsessed with it. I love it. I love the way my skin feels. I love the way the makeup goes on. Makeup stays on better for longer, which is game changing because I am oily combination and makeup always has trouble staying on me. With this, it stays on phenomenal. It is so great. So there are multiple ways you can do this. And if you're concerned or not sure how you're going to like this and not quite ready to invest $100 in this, maybe give these a try. As I mentioned, you can purchase them on Amazon. I will have links down below, but give this a try, see how you feel about it. And then if you love this, like I did, move on to something like this that is something that is just kind of taking the whole shaving your face to the next level. I feel as if this really takes it to a closer level of that result you would get from going through a med spa. So I hope you guys found this Tip Tuesday helpful. And if you are not yet aware, I do have a goal for 2019 to hit 100,000 subscribers. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, I'd love if you click that little red button right down below and subscribe to my channel and help me get to my goal. And as always, guys, if you have any questions on anything I talked about here, please let me know. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.